Hi and welcome back to my channel. My name is Delphine and today we are going to have a look at my boots collection. So all my boots, high boots, low boots, heels, flats, everything. I think it's also perfect now for the end of the year. They're typically the shoes I'm wearing the most because whether there's snow, there's rain, the streets are extremely dirty. So these are the shoes I tend to wear by this weather, or some I wear also for parties or for other things. I'm gonna show this all to you, and I will also give you a few comments on the different shoes, my experience with them and everything. And let's get started with this little pair. This I have since the longest time. I bought them during my studies. They're from the brand called Claudie Pierlot. It's a French brand that is most known for their clothes, but they also do bags and shoes, and they do great shoes and great bags. And it's a size 36, so my classic size. They're thread, and they have these three little bows here in front. And yeah, I like them a lot because I find when I have a very simple basic outfit, it brings off a bit of a little different details. This is because their thread is typically one of the exceptions. Shoes I typically don't wear outside when it's raining or snowing, but otherwise I wear them yeah, quite a lot. They're very comfortable. I mean, I find generally Claudie Pierlot, their shoes are quite comfortable. And yeah, I like them a lot. Then, well, I'm gonna show them to you because I did not film them worn on because I don't wear them at home. But I wanted to mention them because, especially now, I was talking about snow and everything. They're also not in the best condition because I'm wearing them a lot at the moment. As you can see, it's my snow boots. I mean, they are, you see these little stones. I don't know how they do wherever you live if you have snow. Here, when they snow, they put little stones, which is clever because you don't slide. But it gets stuck everywhere and you end up bringing so many little stones home. That's the part which is a bit annoying. But as you can see, I mean, there's snow everywhere. I'm not cleaning them every day at the moment because it makes just no sense and it's a never-ending task. But I love them because they're also completely inside. You see there's fur everywhere, so they're very warm. They're very good in the snow. They're from the brand, so they're made in Spain, size 36S, and the brand, can I find the brand? No brand. Here. Panama Jack. Panama Jack. Did not know the brand. I bought those one, I think maybe 2 or 3 years ago. I needed snow boots. I went into the shop and asked, and there were several options, and these ones were great. I did not know the brand in particular. From the price, I remember it was kind of middle average price. I don't remember how much I paid for them, maybe 300-400 euros. So not luxury, not first price either, something in between. But I've been so happy. I've been even to the mountain with them, you know, in the snow and everywhere, and they are perfect. Then next pair, which I've been wearing a lot, I will have to look for a replacement, I think next year, unfortunately. You can see the crack from where I'm walking so much with them. These are typically I wear them normally, so I'm showing them to you with tights and everything because I wanted just that you can really see the shoes well. But I normally wear them with a pant, which covers the shoes about around here. And yeah, they might go to when there's no snow and anything because otherwise I would slide to death. They might go to everyday shoes otherwise for work and everything because the heel is a very nice, very comfortable block heel. They're from Michael Kors and it's a size, I think it was a size 36. It's written 6M behind. I don't know if it's a special Michael Kors way of writing sizes. I don't know. I cannot see any other number anymore, but I'm fairly certain it was a 36 because that's my typical size. Very, very, very comfortable. The thing is, yeah, you can see on the heel that they've been used quite some. They're still good, so I don't know, maybe one more season. But I have to slowly start looking for a replacement for them. But it's not so easy to find really very simple black boots, no special big thing, big heel, stable heel, not too high, not too low. It's really not that easy. So that's why I think this season I was already opening my eyes for replacement, but the chunky sole were more in trend, or when there were no chunky sole, it was often very much thinner heel or suede. And suede is also a no-go for me because these I have to be able to wear in the rain. So yeah, I love them. They're great. I don't know how I'm gonna be able to replace them. I will have a look, of course, at Michael Kors if they still do them, then I will definitely buy them again. But I'm not sure it's something they keep doing every year. Another pair, which was also so complicated, I was looking for it for so long. It took me so long to replace them. It's a simple black low boots. Yeah, these are from Sam Edelman. No, sorry, from Tory Burch. I'm sorry, from Tory Burch. It's also written 6M. Is it American sizing? I don't know. You can tell me, because Tory Burch I know for sure is an American brand. Or am I wrong? No, it's American, right? And it's typically a size, so I'm typically a size 36. And yeah, they're great. Since I got them, they're quite recent. I got them maybe 1 or 2 months ago. I showed them in a video where I was showing my latest purchases. And I've been wearing them non-stop because, well, that was the point. These are basically when I need heels, when I need flats, when there is snow. And there you have, I think, what I wear outside 90% of the winter. So yeah, they've been wearing them a lot. They're very comfortable. I liked, I was not necessarily looking for so much detail because I wear them a lot with a pant. So this is sometimes a bit visible, but not that visible anyway. But why not? I mean, it's a nice little detail. Yeah, I like them a lot. So it opens, right? And then you can slide in your feet. Yeah, very good. As you see, I've been wearing them already a lot, and I've not yet had to do anything to them. The leather is, it's really nice quality. Then staying with low boots, the last one are these ones from Neos. So I'm also showing them here with a brown tie. This is not how I wear them, don't panic. I have typically a pair of camel trousers, and I wear them a lot with it. Or I will wear them under jean or these kind of things. It has a slight 70s style. The end is a bit more also squared than some of my other boots. They open with a long zip. I liked a lot the heel. I don't know if you see it, it's transparent, this little area. It makes it a bit heavier. The heel is a bit heavier, but I think it's a very nice kind of detail. They also come a bit higher on the ankle, as you could see in the little video, and they get very tight to the ankle. So, right, so they come very close, which is great if you wear them under a pant, because then you don't have the issue of your pant getting tucked in it. But for me, with my size and everything, I will not wear them with a skirt, for example, because they go a bit too high on the leg for that, and they come very close. So it's not the most flattering for my size and my shape of legs, I don't know. So I wear them with pants, and they're great with pants. They're perfect. The leather is very delicate, very thin, so I don't wear them when it's raining outside or when it's too bad. But they are, yeah, it's very good. You could walk a lot outside. It will be no problem. This I got it put there by shoemaker. I don't know how you call it in English. For when I was walking a lot with them outside, because it was very thin, very delicate, and I didn't want to take any risk. So then we go more to boots. I will start with, well, the ones I have next to me. These ones, I don't know if you will be able to see, they're actually gray. They're actually gray boots, which I found pretty cool because, well, we all know the black boots, and I like also sometimes to have a bit different colors. And I find in some occasions gray is actually nice. And while filming this video, I also realized I have very kind of, you will see, kind of classic boots color. And I think this is something I could also keep my eyes open for. Maybe get a bit more different, maybe a bit crazier boots colors. I don't know. I'm very classic with my boots color, but so yeah. They're size 36, made in Italy. It's a small brand I bought in France. Let me zip them up. It's called Lisa Conti. And I bought them in a small shop in France that was selling a lot of different brands. They were not particularly luxury, nor first price. I think I maybe paid close to 300 for them. So it's not cheap, but it's definitely not luxury prices either. Yeah, they're great. They're just a bit tight here around the calf, so they're not the most comfortable for me. But otherwise they're very simple, great boots, great for every day. Then let's keep going. A more recent addition. If you saw my recent haul when I bought also these ones, I had also ordered these ones too. They're from Office in General. They're a size 36 and quite I would say 85 heel. So still comfortable height. I've not been wearing them. They are completely pristine because, well, I got them and then the following week it started snowing and raining. And you know, when they're completely new, I did not want to go too much outside, and here I have no chance in the snow with these kind of shoes. So I've not been wearing them yet, but now snow is melting, so I'm looking forward to wearing them now a bit more with some dresses. It is the season for that. I'm happy. I'm always happy. I like that, you know, with a different season I get to wear different kind of shoes, and I like it. These are extremely old. I mean, I maybe exaggerate a bit when I say that, but not that much. I think they are at least 15 years old. So yeah, that's the ones I used to call my cowboy boots. So this little thing, you can remove it and then you can open the zip and then you can slide your feet in. You can help yourself with this. So they're not really Santiago's or anything like that, right? Like Americans, you're probably laughing at me calling that cowboy boots because, well, they're not really Santiago's, but they're let's say Santiago inspired. A bit more everyday wearable version of the Santiago's if you don't live in the US or in an area where you will see a lot of Santiago's typically. And yeah, I like them a lot. I have them since forever, as I was saying. I'm not wearing them very often, but here and there I will take them out again, and trends are cyclic, right? Cycles. So this Santiago and cowboy things come and goes again and again in trend. So it's a size 35 actually, because there are some for very long. So for me the size 35 was with this one's the right one. I don't think I can tell you the brand, to be honest. I think this is long gone and erased from existence. Sadly, I'm sorry. But anyway, I had bought them at the time. My father bought them because I think when I had them was before I was probably in high school when I got them. Maybe not. Maybe they're not that old. I'm not 100% sure anymore. But I know that I did not purchase this myself. So either I was a student still, and I'm not 100% sure. But I had them also here. So maybe the brand name was written here, but I had this fixed, and also here because I wore them so much that they started getting damaged. So I brought them to get them repaired. This is something I typically like to do. With a lot of my things, clothes, shoes, when they're good quality, if you can fix them and keep them, then that's what I tend to do as much as I can. And speaking about fixing and keeping, I'm gonna go with these ones, which I also need to replace. So I need to replace my low boot with high heels, and I'm gonna need to replace my very simple flat boot. But I had the same problem that the trend is with these big soles, and so to find a flat boot, or not 100% flat, you see there is a small heel, without a big sole or anything is not that easy. And I love them a lot. I have them since, again, forever. It's size 36. I like inside it's a little cute print. It's very comfortable because of this lining. I think it's not written under, but this I remember almost for sure. They are from Mellow Yellow. Yeah, I can still see it inside. Mellow Yellow. Again, a French brand. I don't know really what to say about it without saying too much, because I think it could be the topic of a video in itself. All these French brands you maybe don't know about, which do really good quality shoes at quite affordable prices, and this is definitely one of them. I've been having them. I had them before I met my husband, so it's been, but not long before, I think. So it's been probably maybe 11 years, 12 years. And I wear them a lot. because when I don't want to wear heels, boots but no heels, then that's the one I used to go for. I got them repaired already. This I already got changed, and this already was changed once. And I mean, they're still okay. This one is not the worst one. The other one, so this is the left foot, so the right foot is a bit more damaged, and the leather up starts to here get a bit more damaged, and this is harder to fix. So I know I'm gonna have to replace them. But as you can see, I mean, you take care of them, you bring them to shoemaker, I guess. I don't know how it's called in English, and they can help you repair them, prolong their life a bit, and it's nice, you know. Keep using them. And then the last, but definitely not least, because it's my favorite pair of boots ever, are these ones. Again, a French brand called Parabot. These will be more towards luxury. I'm not yet luxury, but so I have them since I think maybe 8 years, 9 years, and I bought them at the time for almost 700 or 800 euro. So with price increases, I think now they will come close to maybe 1,000 if you will get to buy them new again. They're brown, as you can see. Again, I guess a size. It's just written Parabot here. And look, I've walked so much with them. But when I say so much, I really mean so much. And it looks like I never wore them. It's crazy. I mean, you can see on the leather in the other areas and here and there that they've been worn a lot. But when you look at them from under, you can still see this is a logo, right? Parabot. Crazy, absolutely crazy. And they write 3.5 inside, which is, I guess, their own sizing. But so I'm a 36. I'm so sad because this was a one-time thing. I was looking for several years because I would have bought them in every single colors in which they will make them. They make them in black, I buy them in black. They make them in gray, in blue, in pink, in purple, whatever. Well, maybe not purple because I don't really wear a lot of purple, but I would buy them. They are so comfortable. They are my, so if you've seen my video about pumps, my Gen Vito Rossi of boots. Most comfortable pair ever. From day one, could put them on, walk around the whole day, go on a shopping spree, everything, no pain, nothing. Perfect. So comfortable. So yeah, I love them. And I try now to take very good care of them. When I bought them, so they have dust bags, and they also gave me a little pot of the exact color to take care of them, which was really nice. I've used it up now, but so what I do sometimes when I don't have the exact color for some of the boots, I also go with at least a transparent nourishing cream. And here and there I will just then dab a bit of the closest color I can find, very so lightly, as not to mark, and otherwise I will go over with more of this transparent, just nourishing kind of cream. And that's it, guys. That's it for my boots collection. So as you can see, it's more convenient. I tend to go less for luxury compared to some other kind of shoes, because I wear them outside, I wear them in snow, in rain, in everything. Maybe not all of them, but quite a lot of them. And so I tend to be a bit more careful. I've been thinking about investing in a few maybe luxury ones. For example, the Hermes jumping boots. I have my eyes on them. I also saw some very nice simple heeled one like this from, for example, Valentino or things like that. And I've been hesitating because I'm not sure when I would wear them or if I would wear them then, and so that's what I've been like pulling me back a bit. But I don't know, I'm thinking about it, and I definitely, as you could see, have to replace some of them. So if you have any tips, if you know brands or anything that do this kind of shoes that I'm gonna be looking for, then please feel free to share it in the comment section below. If you have some favorite brands also for boots and low boots, which are very comfortable, please also share them. Always looking for new brands. And yeah, and I wish you a very nice day. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I will put another one here in case you have not seen it yet. And if you want, you can of course also subscribe to my channel by clicking there. And then I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.